They don't wobble and they don't fall.
Yeah, you need to walk.
See?
Yes, there's a glass.
It's gonna. The glass is gonna.
Look at it, too high.
Look at the cliff. You see, it's very high.
Look at the papa.
Hey.
We're in the skywalk.
Jeez.
So
We're going to Noah's Ark.
We have to cross over.
yeah.
Habog dyan siya. Ayaw lang maglantaw sa ubos para di mo malula.
No,
Oh.
that's so hot. Yeah.
Oh, naay glass oh.
Really?
Sige.
Hadlok sa glass.
Ah, kakurog na glass. Make sure.
No running.
No running into that.
Running to the glass.
It's gonna.
Hmm? Ay, naaday ko sa glass dayo. Hmm. Oh, sa hadlok sa glass oh. Mo ni. Hmm. Come on. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Don't be scared on the heights. A friendly reminder to fight your fears. Yo.
Yeah, it's another glass coming. Hey, look at the squid, yeah. You won't see. Look at the squid, look. It's the squid over the top.
I'm gonna walk on the glass.
Kita ko yung entrance
So
oh.
it's not gonna.
Oh, diya. Oh, muna siya.
Bakit ko tadi man? Dari tubabaw.
Murag.
Dato nga, no?
Oh, dato nga kana nga to gato na to sa una.
Lagi dito ka.
Na ano diya transformer. Oh, mo siya ano. Ah, kita mo. Ah, diya mana siya entrance. Oh, diya may sulod pasaka.
In the.
So taas kayo siya. Kita yun ang height sa ning hanging bridge nila. Pero ligon yun yung glass. Ay kahadlok aning glass. Kita lang yun ang lalo mo. Kita niyo yung
Shoot.
yeah.
Sige, you cross again.
Fight your fears.
Sige, you cross. Go to Papa.
Mm.
No running.
No running ha.
You
Okay, let's go.
here.
You see?
No,
We are passing on the sky already. The sky is the limit.
The wood.
Mm.
It's a wooden plank. It's a wooden
Yeah, dadto taon niya.
plank.
May helicopter pag gumana yung
Yes.
Noah's Ark.
The wooden plank is not gonna fall.
Yeah.
The wooden plank is not gonna
Wall.
into the
Into the
forest.
Alright.
The last glass. The last.
The city of Cagayan de Oro.
We have to be careful
See?
with the last glass before it breaks.
No, it's not gonna break. Sige, you cross.
Sige, inay.
Yay!
Yeah, you did it.
See? Ligon dyan siya. Ay, magkadlok anong glass. Morning.
Hi, welcome to Skywalk.
Thank you. Ano siya? End of Skywalk.